In news coming in, it is being seen as a move that could have nationwide ramifications. The Himachal Pradesh High Court has directed the central government to consider enacting a law banning cow slaughter and imposing a total ban on sale, export and import of beef. In fact, in a 36-page landmark judgment, a division bench said secularism was one of the basic features of the constitution and that people should not hurt the religious sentiments of one another. The High Court has also directed the centre to bring this enactment in place within 3 months.
यानी इसका जो जिस्ट है उसके मुताबिक जो है केंद्र सरकार को ये विचार करना है और इस बारे में कानून बनाने के बारे में विचार करना है जिससे कि काउ मीट, बीफ या बीफ का एक्सपोर्ट, इंपोर्ट ये सब चीज़ें जो है केंद्रीय स्तर पर इस तरह का कानून बने जिससे ये चीज़ें बंद।
Okay, let's get in a quick word from India Today's Manjeet Sehgal. Manjeet, this is, this is a big bit of news coming in. What else are the other observations made by the Himachal Pradesh High Court on the beef ban issue?
Well, Avantika, the High Court order came on a writ petition filed by Bharatiya Governance Rakshan Samvardhan Parishad, a local NGO, in a plea filed last year. The NGO had sought directions to save cows from being slaughtered. So, in a move that is likely to have nationwide ramifications, the Himachal High Court on Veterans Day directed the central government to consider enacting a law banning cow slaughter, besides imposing a total ban on sale, export and import of beef and beef products in India within the next 3 months. In a 36-page landmark judgment, a division bench of Justice Rajiv Sharma and Justice Sureshwar Thakur said that secularism was one of the basic features of the constitution and the people should not hurt the religious sentiments of each other. The court has also directed the centre to provide necessary funds to Himachal Pradesh government for housing and providing fodder to cows and stray cattle with the specific objective of protection and conservation of cows and calves in the state. The High Court order came on a petition filed by the Bharatiya Governance Rakshan Samvardhan, as it said earlier, NGO. The court has also directed all the deputy commissioners in Himachal Pradesh to file personal affidavits giving status reports about compliance of the court's orders passed on October 7, 2014, imposing a ban on cow slaughter and export of cow or calf for slaughter. Avantika.
All right, Manjeet. Thanks so much for joining us.